Hi, Dr. Dave here with my shoulder instability exercises level 3. Make sure if you have a bad shoulder that you're checking out level 1 and level 2 before you go to this video, which is level 3. Thanks again.
Stand in an upright position holding a resistance band in both hands. Lift your affected arm out to the side. Your arm should be at approximately 90 degrees to your body. Bend your elbow to a right angle. Maintaining good posture and shoulder blade control, rotate your arm upwards from horizontal to vertical. Your elbow should remain at a right angle and your upper arm should not move up or down. Your posture should stay straight and your shoulder blades remaining back and down. Slowly return to start position and repeat. Stand in an upright position with a resistance band tied off behind you. Lift your affected arm out to the side and up to a 90 degrees angle to your body. Bend your elbow to a right angle. Maintaining good posture and shoulder blade control, rotate your forearm downwards from vertical to horizontal. Your elbow should remain at a right angle, and your upper arm still. Keep your posture straight and your shoulder blades back and down. Slowly return to start position and repeat. Stand upright holding one end of a resistance band in the hand of your affected arm. Stand on the other end of the resistance band using the foot on your unaffected side. The hand holding the band should be located downwards and across your body and located in front of your hip on the opposite side of the body to the affected arm. Your thumb should be facing inwards. Maintain good posture and shoulder blade control throughout the following movement. Keep your arm straight and pull the band upwards and outwards, diagonally across your body, rotating the arm. Continue in a fluid motion and finish the movement with your arm outstretched and away from your body with your thumb facing upwards. Slowly return to the starting position and repeat. Stand holding a resistance band in both hands. Lift your good arm to the side. Take the symptomatic arm towards the opposite shoulder, gathering some resistance as you move and keeping your thumb facing upwards. Pull against the resistance band, taking your arm down and out and finishing the movement with your arm straight and facing diagonally downwards with your palm facing forwards. Slowly return to start position and then repeat. Get into a plank position with your elbows on a stability ball. Hold this position with your back flat and a straight line from your head to your feet. Get down and place one hand on top of the bench or step. Place the other hand beside you and get into a push-up position. Take the hand now on the floor up onto the bench. Push your shoulders into a protracted position. Drop the hand back down off the bench. Step up onto the bench with the same hand and protract your shoulders. Stand straight holding a broomstick or rod in both hands. Lift your symptomatic arm up as far as you can, using your good arm to drive the movement. Do not allow your shoulder to hunch. Remove the support of the stick and slowly lower your arm, keeping it straight. Take care not to allow your shoulder to hunch. Relax and repeat. Stand with your legs hip-width apart. Bend your symptomatic elbow, bringing your hand to your shoulder. Straighten your arm above your head. Rotate your shoulder to that your fist faces forwards and your little finger is on the outside leading edge. Steadily lower your arm back down to the side, keeping the arm straight and your shoulder relaxed. You can also do this exercise with additional weight.